This is the most delicious raspberry and ricotta ice cream. Here's the recipe. Into a blender, add 500 grams of ricotta, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, the zest of 2 lemons, followed by 125 grams of granulated sugar. Blend till silky smooth and it's looking like this. Gently fold in 125 grams of strained Greek yogurt. Add your mixture to an ice cream maker for 30 minutes. Blend 150 grams of raspberries until smooth. Push the puree through a sieve, making sure you remove any seeds and skin, ensuring you get the perfect raspberry coulis. Now 30 minutes has gone by, add a handful of raspberries to your mixture. Gently fold the raspberries in and then transfer your mixture into a loaf tin. It should still be creamy. With a spoon, gently add your raspberry coulis on top of your mixture. Now for the fun part. With the back of a fork, just swirl your coulis into your mixture. Cover your loaf tin and place into the freezer for at least 4 hours for the ice cream to set. 4 hours later, you should get this bad boy. All that's left to do is scoop, drizzle some of the remaining raspberry coulis on there and enjoy. Thanks for watching.